everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to appear offline on TradingView application. To appear offline or manage your visibility on TradingView, the first thing to do is to open your TradingView application on your mobile device and sign in, or you can also visit tradingview.com on a web browser and log into your account. After you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner on your mobile device. And once you open up your menu button, go ahead and look for your name appearing at the top. Tap the little arrow right next to your name, and then this will open up this page where you need to tap on the pencil button at the top right corner and toggle off the button right next to Show My Online Status. Once you toggle off the button, tap on Save at the top right corner, and doing this will help you appear offline on TradingView. So that way you can appear offline or limit your visibility on TradingView. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again.